How to register a company in Nigeria. Welcome to this guide on how to register your company in Nigeria. Starting a business is exciting, right? Dreams of becoming the next Dangote, but then you remember the paperwork. It's enough to make anyone miss the good old days. But hey, that's why we're here. Registering a company legally enables the business to operate within the country, offering it a distinct legal identity. We'll walk you through each step, from picking a name to navigating Nigerian bureaucracy. By the end, you'll be ready to conquer the Nigerian business world. First things first, figure out what kind of business you're running. Are you going sole or partnering up with your best mate? Or private limited company, LTD, or public limited company, PLC? Don't worry, we've got you covered. We'll break down each option, from sole proprietorship to public limited company. We're talking pros, cons, and everything in between. You'll be a business structure expert, ready to impress your friends at parties. Now let's talk money, because you can't have a business without it. The CAC, following requirements from various business sectors regulators, mandates different levels of minimum share capital depending on the industry and type of company. It's the government's way of saying, prove you're serious. For a private limited company, the minimum share capital is 100,000 naira, while for a public limited company, it is 2 million naira. Higher share capital is required for foreign investors, with the minimum being 100 million naira in certain cases for businesses owned wholly or in part by foreign nationals. Time to unleash your inner creative genius. Choosing a business name is serious business. It's gotta be catchy, memorable, and not already taken. There are guidelines regarding the use of certain words in a business name. For instance, names containing terms like federal, national, or government might require special approval or rejection if they are misleading or inappropriate. Get ready to brainstorm and create a brand that'll be the envy of every entrepreneur in Nigeria. Chapter 4. Assembling the A-Team Directors and Shareholders. That's where directors and shareholders come in. A small private limited company requires at least one director and one shareholder for registration. However, the director and shareholder can be the same person. We'll break down who they are and what they do. Directors are responsible for the day-to-day management of the company, while shareholders are the owners of the company. All directors must be at least 18 years old and not be convicted felons or bankrupt. Chapter 5. Location, location, location. Finding your business a home on paper. Even if you're running your business from your living room, you need a real address, an official HQ, a registered office address for official letters and legal notices. It doesn't have to be fancy, just legit. Every company in Nigeria must provide a valid registered office address, which serves as the official location for correspondence with government agencies, clients, and suppliers. Chapter 6. The Rulebook, Memorandum and Articles of Association, MEMART. Okay, I know Memorandum and Articles of Association sounds as exciting as watching paint dry. The Memorandum and Articles of Association, MEMART, outline the objectives, structure, and internal rules of the company. The MEMART must conform to CAMA 2020 and include provisions for the authorized share capital and the company's objectives. The CAC provides templates for these documents, but companies can customize them to fit specific needs and add any other custom rules or terms to them. Chapter 7. The price of doing business, paying those registration fees. Nothing in life is free, especially not starting a business. Get ready to open your wallet, there are fees involved. But hey, it's an investment, right? From name reservation to filing fees, so you can budget accordingly and avoid surprises. Chapter 8. The Paper Chase, Gathering Your Documents. Time to channel your inner Sherlock Holmes for some documents. Don't worry, we've got the ultimate checklist. From registration forms to director information, you'll have everything to impress the CAC. Get those printers ready, it's document time. Chapter 9. You did it! The Certificate of Incorporation. Congratulations! Along with the certificate, the company's MEMART and application status will be issued. That's right, you've got your Certificate of Incorporation, which means you're officially a business owner. Follow these steps to successfully register your company in Nigeria. Go forth and make those business dreams a reality. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.